Hi friends, this is your Python partner here, and now we are just going to see a program how to check if the list is empty or not. Okay, we can just see that. So in this program, at first I have given an empty list named admission. Okay, so the admission is the variable, it is referring this empty list. And now we are just using an if loop. So if admission, what does this means? In sense, this conditional test admission in sense, Python will return true. At least one item is inside admission. Okay. In order to satisfy that, in order to satisfy this conditional test, this admission list need to have at least one value. Only then this if block will be executed. If not, else block will be executed. So here you just see here, yes. As admission list has no values, if block will be completely ignored. Okay. And the program control goes to else block. And else block, what it will print? Attention please, admission list is not updated. Okay, so this is it. So why we have to really check if the list is empty or not? In sense, if you haven't used this if loop and if you directly start your program from for loop in sense, the program will run without any error, but you will not see anything as we have not given anything to handle that thing. Program will just run and it will come out of that thing. That's it. Okay. So you just try writing this program without using this if and else block, just with this for loop, and see what it happens. Then you'll get to know. So that's it friends, and if the admission list has any 2 or 3 values or at least one value, this if block will be executed. So once when the if block is in execution state, what will happen? So for name in admission, so name, that is a temporary variable which is going to pull the value from admission list. Now in this list it is empty, but I am telling you to assume what if there is 2 or 3 names, at least one names is there. So the first name will be taken here and it will print welcome. For example, we can keep Rahul. Okay, welcome Rahul to our academy and collect your books and drafters. So that's it. If it is only one value in sense. If you have 2 or 3 values, it will accordingly act. After completing this thing, program will stop. As here, there is no value inside this admission list. The if block is completely ignored and the execution happens only with the else block. So that is the thing. So I hope you really understand this concept well. So try writing your own program and see and play around with these concepts. Practice is very important. So that's it friends. Join me in this journey of learning. Let's make this journey more interesting. Bye bye and take care.